Alright, let's see if we fixed the bike. See if it'll start. Who knows? Okay. Turn the gas back on. There it goes. Okay, choke is still on. There's no fuel in it. So the choke doesn't work on this bike. So if you hold your hand over the carburetor, it'll flood it. So right now we're looking at the fuel. There's no fuel in the carburetor. See inside the throat's dry? Nothing in there. So you put your hand over it and it'll flood the piss out of it. It's hard to do with this motor. Oh yeah. My hand got wet. See, the choke works really good. See, now it's all nice and wet in there. It just comes out of that spray nozzle like crazy, because that's the only air source of air. So it sucks the fuel right up into it. All right, let's try it again. See, now the battery works because it's getting full power to it. Okay, we're going to turn the ignition on this time. Start it. Sounds pretty good for a city motor. Idle speed's a little low. Running good. Just looks like that. We're going to run it out of gas. can see all the flame that's blocking the picture. You want to buy a real bike?
Yeah, you're waking up the fucking neighbors.
Oh, it's not that late. It's still legal almost. It's only 10:30. Jeez, see the clock right there? There we go. Yeah, right there, 10:30. How's it sound for a little crappy bike sitting around for a year outside?
Sounds nice. Real good.
It just looks like crap. I fixed the electrical now. Yeah, it works good now. You put the electrical in there correctly. Amazing how that works. All right, back in a minute.